All right, today we're going to check out the unboxing of the Pelican Mission 100 Kayak, the Pelican Premium. This was available at Costco this year. It's about $299 on regular price and then about $250 on sale. I would have had it for $299 on regular price. I think it's a good deal even at that price. This shows some of the features and accessories. Has like a speaker tie down, a removable dash cover, a tank well with bungee cords, a removable exopod which has a strap on it for carrying, a drain plug, an ergonomic carry handle, and the padded seat I noticed is better than others. It's actually attached to the bottom and the back, as well as a cup holder there, and underneath the dash there's also a cup holder there. It also has the knee pads, which is very helpful. These are really stable. If you see one of my other videos on my channel, you'll see that we had a great time with them. We've kayaked with these at Tahoe and also in Mammoth area on the lakes there. You can actually register your purchase at pelicansport.com. Alright, so unbox these guys. They have staples, be careful. They can be very sharp. Also some tape, I've already cut that open. Lots of staples, be careful. Stay away from them. And then the outer box actually opens up to two side cardboard boxes, and everything's well protected. You can see the under the dash cup holder here, a little area to put stuff as well. The buttons here are what attach the dash cover, which is this guy. We have protective covering over the emblem, so be sure to take those off. Take off the protection on the front here. It covers the handle. Once you get the box undone, again more staples over here. You can just kind of start taking the kayak out. It's not attached to the bottom anymore. Just be careful not to scratch up the hull. Inside, you have your paddle. It's a good paddle. It's a fiberglass filled plastic paddles, fiberglass reinforced polypropylene, and the shaft is aluminum. They're like a blue color. So there's that. You've got the dash cover, which is zip tied, and here's the pad. The pad is like actually got edging on it, and it's like a neoprene. It's called Ergoform. And then that's the dash cover. On the back here, this cardboard piece is covering the exopod. The exopod has a big piece of foam on it. That's pretty nice. And even the zipper pulls have like little protection on them. And then of course the back has the plug and the handle. I don't believe these plugs come out. I think they let it water out if you release them like that, and then you leave them in. That way you don't lose them while you're out kayaking. The exopod is also attached in, but you can see here there's a strap. I think there's a strap inside, I guess, that you use to carry it around. Maybe not. Oh, here's the strap. It's already attached to the side. So yeah, you can carry that around kind of like a side pack while you're hiking or whatnot. And so there you have it. That's the Ramex Premium plastic on these. Pelican Premium. And then they got some nice Mission 100 labels on them. And there are some provisions to attach things. I'm not sure what. I haven't registered these yet. Here and also here. There's some holes for things. So, all right. Well, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I'm trying to build up my subscribers, so thanks for watching.